Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you can hear me well because I don't have a microphone today. I will probably sort that out for next time. So you might be hearing the wind howling at my windows. Winter is upon us almost. It's very dark and I actually have some artificial light in here so you can see me because it's very dark. I wake up and it's already dark outside basically. Yeah, it's very dark. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-acne mask. This is a mask that was very popular in Ayurveda medicine. You can say Ayurveda or Ayurveda. Ayurveda medicine. Ayurveda medicine is one of the oldest types of medicine in the world. Aloe leaves secrete a clear gel that when broken off from the plant, from the leaf, can be applied locally on the skin and can heal wounds or soothe skin. Cinnamon has antibacterial properties and helps with minimizing the size of pores. However, you have to be careful with the cinnamon because if you apply cinnamon in a bigger quantity, it can harm your skin. So you have to really stick with the recipe when you deal with ingredients that can be more harmful for your skin. Now I'll show you how to make this mask. I have 2 leaves of aloe here and I'm gonna cut it to show you how it looks like. It's quite cool looking inside. Yep. So the aloe leaf, I want to show you something. It has a flat side and a more curved side. You see, okay. So how I do it, and it's a more efficient way of doing it, I think. I peel the sides of the leaf off first. And then I take the flat side of the leaf away. And that will leave me with the pulp uncovered for me to just slide out easier, I feel. Because you just took the sides off and I feel it's easier to just slide the pulp out if you just take the sides out first. This is how it looks like. It looks like a jellyfish. I feel it's like a jellyfish looking plant. But it's not sticky, interestingly enough. It's quite watery like that. It's like water basically on your hands. It's just gonna be like water. This is my aloe. It's 1 tablespoon worth of aloe. And then I'm adding the honey. And then a pinch of cinnamon. Don't exaggerate with the cinnamon because if you have sensitive skin, it's just quite strong. This ingredient is quite strong. I put everything into the pestle mortar because it was quite hard to squash all that aloe with just the spoon in the bowl. I thought it's more efficient with the pestle mortar. So if you have a pestle mortar, that's really good. I'm going to apply, I use the brush to apply this, and I had a big spot near my nose, right there, and it really hurt. It was under the skin and it was very painful. That's the aloe just being dried up on my chin like that. Yeah, that's the cinnamon granules on. Yes, we know you have a spot. It really hurts. We know. Okay, and after that's dry, you see I'm just testing it like that. You just rinse your mask out and tap your skin dry. I use my Lizol Skin Repair Moisturizer for combination skin. Put that much on and really massaged everything, all the moisturizer in my skin, gently and on my neck. And basically that's it. I forgot to say that this mask should be left on the skin for about 30 minutes or until it's dry. So I was just touching it with my fingers to see if it dried out. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful and I really hope it helps you. If you enjoyed my video and found the information shared helpful to you, I hope you subscribe and become part of my world. Until next time, bye!